Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Red Tiger dash cam and neatly hide all the wiring for a clean finish. This camera records in ultra high definition 4K and it's perfect for capturing license plates, road signs and everything happening around your vehicle. I'll also be showing footage from both the front and the rear cameras later in the video. So we want to place the front facing camera behind the rear view mirror on the passenger side. Once the camera is placed on the windshield, twist the mount behind it to lock it securely in place. One of the great things about this camera is that it is portable, so you can easily remove it and take it with you to prevent it from being stolen. And I'd highly recommend doing this, as I recently unfortunately had one stolen. So that's exactly why we're installing this one now. Hide any excess wiring under the passenger side floor mat. Now let's move on to setting up the camera, starting with selecting the correct time zone. You can do this by using the buttons on the side of the camera. And there we are, it's all set and we can position the camera to our liking. Sorry guys, I actually forgot to record showing how the rear camera was installed, but this is what the final result should look like once everything is installed. Mount the camera securely onto the rear windshield just like this. Then run the wiring along the edges here, tucking it in as neatly as possible so everything stays clean and out of the way. And make sure to hide any excess cabling neatly underneath the plastic trim in your boot to keep everything tidy.
The destination is on your left. Jubilee Food and Wine. Arrived. The destination is on your left. Jubilee Food and Wine.